Alright guys, we got a notification that our T-cell needs some cleaning. I don't know if you can see it, but yep, T-cell needs cleaning. So we're gonna clean it out today. So first step was to shut off all the pumps, which I already did, and then we had to cut off the filter breaker. That's done as well. So here is the T-cell, and we had to loosen up these two so it'll come off. You will need a pretty large wrench just to loosen this up. Alright, loosen this up, and it seems like water's going over there now. So I didn't need this. It was hand tight, which works. Alright, so I got these to loosen up, so we'll remove it completely, so we'll get the T-cell all the way out. That comes all the way out. That's all of it. Alright, T-cell's out. I don't see anything really inside. Looks pretty empty. Nothing here. Not sure how build-up's supposed to look like, but this one looks pretty empty. Alright, our pool builder said it's pretty much clean, but we're gonna rinse it out anyway. So I'm gonna have to get the hose and do it here, since I'm not supposed to take the cord off, or I'm not even sure if it can. But I'm gonna get the hose and just rinse it out a little bit. Got the hose, just rinse it. That should be good enough. It was pretty much clean already. Now we just gotta put it back on. Same way we got it out. Just align this. And then the fridge should screw on. That one's good. Side is this way. Let me put my gloves on. We're just gonna hand tight it as best we can, and then once we turn on the system, we'll check for any leaks. So it's this way. Okay. And this one opposite. It's good. Alright, turn the filter breaker back on, and then on the app we're gonna turn on the filters. Alright, we turn on the filter, make sure there's no leaks. Make sure there's no drips. Alright. Doesn't seem to be leaking. Water's going through. No leaks. Alright, next we just gotta clear out the notification. I guess we just dismiss. Are you sure you want to dismiss the alarm? Chlorinator 1, dismiss. Alright, no more notification on here. But, yep, I think we're good. That was simple enough. Next time, we're going to change out the filter. It's due next month, so we're supposed to do it every 3 to 4 months. Last time it was done was in September, so we'll do that next time.